If you've been wondering what's the easiest way to get into real estate or just want an efficient way to fund renovations on your home without breaking the bank, in today's session we'll be discussing the ins and outs of securing an FHA 203K loan and successfully completing your home improvement project. Let's dive right in. The first step in the journey is educating yourself about the FHA 203K loan. This specialized loan program is designed to help homeowners finance both the purchase or refinance of a home and the cost of repairs or renovations. It's important to understand the eligibility requirements, terms, and types of repairs that qualify under this program. Once you're familiar with the basics, it's time to find a lender who offers FHA 203K loans. Research different lenders, compare their interest rates, fees, and customer reviews to select the one that best fits your needs. Getting pre-approved for the loan is crucial. This involves submitting your financial documents to the lender, including income, credit history, and assets. The lender will review these documents to determine the loan amount you qualify for. With pre-approval in hand, it's time to identify a property that needs renovations and that you'd like to purchase. Keep in mind that not all properties are eligible for an FHA 203K loan, so ensure that the property meets the necessary criteria. Hiring a 203K consultant is an important step. They will assess the property's condition, create a detailed proposal of the repairs or renovations needed, and estimate the costs. This proposal will be submitted to the lender for approval. With the consultant's proposal in hand, you'll work with your lender to complete the loan application. This will include providing the property details, the proposed scope of work, and the consultant's estimated costs. Once your application is submitted, the lender's team will begin processing it. They'll review your financial information, the property details, and the consultant's proposal. This process can take some time, so patience is key. After a thorough review, the lender will approve the loan amount based on the purchase price of the property and the estimated cost of repairs. The approved loan amount will cover both the property acquisition and the renovation costs. Congratulations! You've reached the closing stage. During this step, you'll sign the final loan documents, and the funds for purchasing the property and financing the repairs will be set aside in an escrow account. With the loan closed, it's time to get to work. You can start coordinating with contractors to begin the repairs and renovations outlined in the consultant's proposal. Remember, the work must begin within 30 days of closing and should be completed within a specified time frame. As the repairs progress, the lender will disperse funds from the escrow account to pay for the renovations. Typically, payments are made in installments, with inspections to ensure that the work meets the required standards. Once all the repairs are completed and the necessary inspections are passed, the lender will release any remaining funds from the escrow account. Congratulations! You've successfully completed your home improvement project. And there you have it, the comprehensive steps to securing approval and completing an FHA 203K loan. Remember, while this process might seem intricate, it can be incredibly rewarding as it allows you to transform a property into your dream home. Thanks for joining us today, and best of luck with your home renovation journey. Look out for more real estate and affluential content from us that could change your life one video at a time.